We have started with first and second round, and now we are at third round, which is the final round of this big journey.
We decided to create an application that smartly teaches elderly about modern technology.
It is basically a digital platform that bridges a gap between communities, individual or organizations.
I would like to thank LearNowX and Cloud Analogy for providing us a platform to showcase our innovation.
We are in the final rounds of the LearnX Hackathon, and we had such a great time with this hackathon.